All right, team, today we're gonna be smoking a pork loin on my pellet grill today. Guys, this works on any pellet grill. You guys need to know I'm using my Z-Grill's pellet grill. But like I said, any pellet grill goes. Guys, cooking pork loin does not have to be hard. It does not have to be intimidating. I know a lot of people are over worried about overcooking it, right? But it doesn't have to be that hard, especially when you're using the proper tools. And today we're using my TempSpike Pro to make sure we cook this thing perfectly. We're gonna take this to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit internal, right? In the thickest part of that loin. We're gonna have that TempSpike Pro in there. Follow along with that app, guys. It's Wi-Fi enabled and it's Bluetooth enabled. So with the Bluetooth part, we have 600 feet of connectivity throughout the house. You know, I can be anywhere in it. Or with that Wi-Fi, we can be checking up on it at the store, picking up the kids on the way home, right? This TempSpike Pro is awesome. And right now, there's a deal going on they wanted me to share with y'all. Buy that TempSpike Pro, they'll throw in the lightning instant read to go along with it, all right? I swear by this thing. I use it all the time in all my cooks. This will be free of charge when you buy that TempSpike Pro. This deal is for the TempSpike Pro 2 probe, but you could always add on those other 2 probes if you want, okay? I like having all 4. Makes it easy when we have a ton of cooks going on, but I'll leave it up to you guys to decide what you want to do. Links down below, right? Save you a bunch of cash. It's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything more to use it, but it helps out your boy. All right, enough with the commercial. Let's go ahead and get this pork loin set up. Now there's minimal silver skin on there, but you want to take some time and go through it, cut off any scraggly bits, any silver skin, anything that's just not going to cook through, right? Now for this one, we're going to use a little barbecue sauce binder. It's a Japanese barbecue sauce with that honey flavor in it. Just get it on there, get both sides with it. And then we're going to use a nice little sweet rub. Again, we're covering all the sides on this one. You're not going to over season this bad boy because look, it's a big piece of meat. When you slice it up, you're only getting just a thin edge of seasoning on the outside. So don't worry about over seasoning. In fact, this time, you know, it's not less is more, it's more is more. We're gonna go ahead and fire up our pellet grill to 275 degrees. Make sure we got some pellets in there because that's important to do. We're gonna use our Smokin pecan pellets. Links down below, save you 10%. Guys, these are the only pellets I'm using right now. Made from real pecan shells, 100% natural. Tons of smoke, tons of flavor. Give them a shot. And then throw that bad boy on. We're gonna go fat side down on it because the heat is coming from the bottom, right? We wanna protect that meat. We'll give it a flip at some point and then we'll go ahead and baste it down with a little bit more of that barbecue sauce. Like I said, we're taking it to 140 internal. Pretty simple, you just set that TempSpike app and you're good to go. Once we take it to 140, we're gonna go ahead and pull it off. We're gonna bring it back in the house and let it rest. Do not slice into it right away. You need to let it rest at least 20 minutes. Just let all those juices reabsorb, everything to calm down in that loin. Okay, you need a calm loin for this one. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, slice it up. The way it's shaped is the grain runs through it. So we're just gonna slice it against the grain so we have a nice tender piece of meat. Drippy, juicy goodness, right? It's time we take a bite. Or cut me off a little piece. Guys, flavor overload, still juicy, right? Tender as can be, perfectly cooked. Finger looking good, baby. So good. Guys, I say it all the time on my channel here. We cook to internal temperatures, not timing, okay? If you need to know how long it took about half hour, 45 minutes. I wasn't exactly watching. Cook to internal temperatures. 140, carryover takes it to about 145 or so. Juicy piece of pork that your whole family will love. All right, guys, if you want to get anything we use in my videos, especially the TempSpike Pro, links down below. Take advantage of the deal. Get that lightning instant read too with it, you know, free for nothing. That thing's, you know, 60, 70 bucks normally. You know, it's great that they throw it in. For the knives, cutting boards, everything else I use in my videos, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that are gonna follow these directions, get nice, perfect pork every time. There are 2 ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description or hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.